Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to reverse an array using big O of one space complexity. Reversing an array is one of the most common and important problems in the array topic, and we'll be covering many more array problems in our upcoming videos. Let's take an example where array is equal to 5, 3, 6, 10, 2 and 7. After reversing an array, it becomes 7, 2, 10, 6, 3 and 5. Before going to the optimal solution, let's quickly talk about the brute force approach. In the brute force method, we create a new array and copy elements from the end of the original array to the beginning of the new array. This approach works fine, but it uses big O of n extra space, which is not optimal. So instead, we'll solve this problem using two-pointer approach, which reverses the array in place using big O of one space complexity. If you carefully observe both the arrays, you will notice a clear pattern where 5 and 7 have swapped their positions. Similarly, 3 and 2 have swapped their positions. Also, 6 and 10 have swapped their positions. So essentially, we are swapping elements from the beginning and end of the array. This is nothing but we are swapping array of 0 with array of n minus 1, array of 1 with array of n minus 2, array of 2 with array of n minus 3. The key idea here is to reverse the array without using extra space. We use a two-pointer approach, where one pointer starts from the beginning and another pointer starts from the end. And we have to swap both elements. Finally, we have to move the pointers towards each other. This way, we reverse an array in place using big O of one space complexity. The algorithm for this will be like, we have to initialize two variables I and j, where I is equal to 0 and j is equal to n minus 1. And then we have to swap array of I and array of j. Finally, we have to increment I and decrement the value of j. We have to repeat this until I is less than j. That's it. Simple and efficient. Now, let's jump into Xcode and implement this logic using Swift and see it in action. Here, we are going to use the same example where array is 5, 3, 6, 10, 2 and 7. First, we are going to have a temporary variable. Temporary variable is to swap two elements. Hope everyone knows how to swap the elements. If any of you are not sure on how to do the swapping, please do comment. I'll try to post a video on it. Then we are going to have two variables I and j. I am initializing I with 0 and j with n minus 1, which is array count minus 1. Let's start the loop. Here I am going to use while loop. For this approach, while loop is little easy when compared to the for loop. You can also use the for loop to solve this problem. While the condition is I is less than j. Variable. Let's swap. First, I am storing array of I in temp and array of I is equal to array of j and array of j which is equal to temp. So we have just swapped the elements. The final step is to increment I and decrement j. That's it. Let's print and see. Yeah. 7, 2, 10, 6, 3 and 5. Yeah, it is swapped. I hope everyone understands this problem. If you have any doubts or if you want me to solve any problems, please do a comment. I also provide iOS training, resume reviews, and mock interviews for those who want to grow in their careers or switch into iOS development. You can also contact me for freelancing support and bug fixes. If you are interested in any of these or need guidance, feel free to reach out to me at amtechtraining@gmail.com. I'm happy to help. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Thanks for watching.